Hi and welcome to my video today about affiliate marketing without a website with 100% free Google traffic. So in a moment I will tell you about how to do affiliate marketing without a website with 100% free Google traffic. Before we move on to discussing if you really need a website to become a successful affiliate, let's talk about the things that you absolutely must have to start and succeed. Don't worry, though. It's not much. In a nutshell, your major goal as an affiliate is to deliver the right offer to the right customer at the right time. And that essentially comes down to two key elements, an offer and a traffic source. So in order to do affiliate marketing without a website with free Google and YouTube traffic, you need some sort of affiliate program or software to promote your affiliate links. I use a program called 24-Hour Ranking System by Paul Murphy. The 24-Hour Ranking System is part of his Affiliate Tube Success Academy, where you learn this strategy of ranking video, 3-minute videos on the front page of Google and YouTube. He has found a way to rank videos, broken and cracked the code for ranking video on the front page of Google and YouTube. The authority you build, the trust you gain, Google and YouTube will love you for it, and rank your videos up on top of first page in 1, 2, 3, 4 positions, but you must gain that authority first and gain trust with your followers or subscribers. Traffic source: where are we going to promote that offer of yours? It has to go somewhere. Be it YouTube, Google, or Facebook, Twitter. The better the match between the traffic source's target audience and the contents of the offer you are promoting, the higher the chance that it will be a profitable deal. In the strategy I'm going to tell you about, we have two main traffic sources, Google and YouTube, and they are organic and free. Also we have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, where we can share our videos to help drive traffic to YouTube. We also use keywords to target the right customers or traffic. Searching for that keyword in Google search. Just like the title of this video, affiliate marketing without a website, which is a keyword that people or traffic are and will be searching for. In order to make money, you need to have something to market like a ClickBank offer or something similar. So in this video I am promoting 24-Hour Ranking System by Paul Murphy. This system is just one of the ways we can promote affiliate offers, by making and ranking videos and getting them to the top of YouTube and front page of Google. We also have free 10-part email course, where we have the affiliate magic funnel, with 10 videos, done for you, sent in a video email course where we promote the same offer, Affiliate Tube Success Academy and 24-Hour Ranking System, in the emails sent out, 10 in all. The funnels we use for our offer all have landing pages and bridge pages, all ready set up and ready to use. The system also has traffic tube secrets, magic funnels, the magic funnels that generate leads and sales on autopilot. This is why you will only use tube traffic secrets, magic funnels. 1. Rank YouTube videos at the top of Google and YouTube. 2. Create highly engaged email list. These emails get opened. 3. Sell products and services on autopilot without ads. 4. Creates a free lead magnet, with no extra work, that people will use. 5. Creates omnipresence with your videos showing up together in positions 1, 2, 3 and 4. 6. Creates a free email list. When people ask you what is your cost per lead, you say 0. 7. Create you as the ultimate authority in any niche. 8. Creates a 100% free retargeting campaign, keeping you top of mind. 9. Increasing conversions. Gives you 20 sale points instead of just 1. 10. Much more. Affiliate Tube Success Academy. This is where you can learn all about ranking videos on YouTube and Google. Paul Murphy is your trainer, gives you step-by-step over-the-shoulder training, holds you by the hand all the way through 16 modules, hundreds of hours of over-the-shoulder training. Okay, you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Use existing traffic, social media, Google and YouTube and different affiliate programs to promote your affiliate links without a website. But if you are not using Paul Murphy's system, You are losing a great opportunity to build a great online business in any niche that will keep money coming in for years to come, on autopilot, set and forget business. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, ding the bell. Give me the thumbs up, mate. You bloody beauty, mate. Subscribe. Leave a comment, please. Here's to your success living healthy in this COVID world. Stay safe and have a beautiful day.